Let's talk about Helldivers, error code also fix. Could not connect to servers in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But fear not, fellow Helldiver, because you are definitely not alone in this battle against the servers. We understand the rage of being locked out of the fight. When Super Earth needs you most today, we're diving deep into the most effective strategies and solutions to banish error code Balvam, ensuring you can return to the front lines and deliver freedom across the galaxy in no time. First up, let's go with the basics. Ensure your internet connection is stable and robust. Sometimes a simple Wi-Fi hiccup can be the culprit. Try restarting your router and modem, giving them a good menu before powering them back on. Also, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, as this often provides a more reliable link to Super Earth servers. Next, we'll make sure your game files are in pristine condition. Corrupted or missing files can frequently cause connection issues blocking your deployment. Head over to Steam, right-click on Helldivers, then go to Properties, then Local Files, and select the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process ensures everything is up to snuff and ready for glorious combat. Sometimes the issue lies deeper within your network's communication channels. Try flushing your Dinskaki by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and typing ipconfig flushes. For some, a temporary solution might even involve using a reputable to bypass potential routing issues with your ISP, letting you connect through a different pathway. This can occasionally trick the system into letting you in. Finally, let's acknowledge the elephant in the war room: server overload. Helldivers has been incredibly popular, and sometimes the servers simply can't handle the sheer volume of eager patriots. Check official Helldivers social media channels or status websites for any server maintenance or capacity warnings. If it's a widespread issue, unfortunately, patience truly is a virtue until Arrowhead Game Studios deploys their fixes.